Hey guys, welcome to the first ASMR. This is Yandere ex-listener, and yeah, that's it. Good morning, listener. How are you feeling? Oh, shh. Don't speak. I don't want you guys to hear. We're underneath the speakeasy. Way underneath, so no one will be able to hear. Oh, come on, darling, don't be like that. I know you want this. We're meant to be together. You can't tell me the times I tried to get so close to you, you didn't understand. You didn't understand why I was being so close to you. But just because I love you, darling. I want to be with you, darling. You're my everything, my sun and stars. Oh, come on. Don't say that. I know you want this. You can't hide it anymore. Oh, come on, listener. Come on, look at me. I said, look at me. That it. You see, others have been trying to steal you away from me, and I couldn't allow that. Oh, don't worry about that so-called boyfriend of yours. He won't be a problem anymore, 'cause I killed him. Oh, no, don't cry, don't cry. Darling, it's okay. Darling. Shh. It's okay. I'm here now. Your real boyfriend's here. I'm here now. And ain't no one gonna take you away from me. Oh, you're so sweet. You make me want to kiss you forever. And the scent, damn babe, drive me crazy, you know that? Oh, come on. I know you want me. You're just being hard to get. That's cute. That's adorable. But you can't leave. I will bring you food, I'll bring you water. Everything you'll need. And no one will come down here anyway. There's been no one down here for as long as people can remember. So, just get comfortable. Because I'm not letting you leave for a long time. Till you've learned to love me. I'm one of a kind, you know. Come on, babe. I know you want this. We're meant to be together. We're meant for each other. Oh, come on. Don't tell me that. Don't say that. I know you want me. What if I gave you a few more kisses? Would that help? You'll do it? You'll love me? Oh, thanks, darling. I won't let you down. I knew you'd do that. Oh, and don't even try anything. Don't try to run away if I let you out of this room. Don't try. One more kiss before I go. See you tomorrow, darling. Alright, that is it for the Rocky X listener. I'm sorry this is so short, and I'm sorry for the little spice at the end. I'm so sorry for those who were a little uncomfortable for that. You guys could have skipped it. And if I should do more ASMRs, comment down below who I should do next. And yeah, see you later. Bye.